In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix failed to log in. Please check your connection. First, go to CMD, run as administrator, and then you want to type this command, ipconfig flush DNS, then press enter. And then netsh-winsock reset, and then ipconfig /reset/renew. And then once it's done, you can just close this down. And here what you want to do is go to network reset and then click reset now. So this will reset your network. It won't break anything. It will just reset some settings and data. So once you have this done, you want to check if this is an issue with the server. So you can go to Google here, and here you can type something like "is Fall Guys down?" You'll get a website like this, and it will tell you if it's down, and if it is, you'll just have to wait for it to be fixed. So this is it. And the last option I recommend doing is going here to your internet, and then right clicking and then go to settings. Here you'll see your internet. You want to make sure under DNS server assignment, click edit, manual, enable IPv4, and then put in 8.8.8.8, then 8.8.4.4, and then click save. Also, when you go back here and then back here under proxy, you want to make sure proxy is off. So go here, make sure this is off, and once you do this, this should fix it.